Hi guys, welcome back to A for Biology YouTube channel. This video is about a Q&A setup which I created to help you guys in essays and structured essays. So I designed a tutorial which has all possible questions that can be asked from the subtopic animal tissues, which comes under Unit 5 Animal Form and Function. You can use the link in the description to download the tutorial. Use it when you revise Unit 5, and I will be uploading more tutorials and reviews very soon. So, no matter what happens around you, make sure to study. Make sure to prepare yourself well for the exam. And also prepare yourself for new beginnings. And remember that education is the key to a better country, a better world, and finally to a better life. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon from the next video. Stay safe.